On July 22, 2019, ISRO launches LVM-3 rocket carrying a lunar orbiter, a lander and the Pragyan rover. And I think you might by now guess it. Yes, it was Chandrayaan-2, which ISRO launches in the hope to become the first country in the world to land rover on the south pole of the moon. The craft reached the moon's orbit on 20 August 2019 and began orbital positioning maneuvers for the landing of Vikram lander. But on September 6, when it was descending after placing orbiter in orbit about 2.1 km above the lunar surface, it deviated from its predefined trajectory and ISRO lost connection from the lander, and which turned out to be the failed mission. The failure analysis committee concluded that the crash was caused by software glitch, but this failure cannot demoralize ISRO. Instead, it provides a powerful reason to bounce back, as ISRO come up with the Chandrayaan-3 ready to launch on 13 July 2023 in just 4 years. Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about Chandrayaan-3, ISRO's lunar mission. In this video, we would discuss what is Chandrayaan-3 lunar mission, its different components, its difference from Chandrayaan-2, objective of Chandrayaan-3, and at last but not the least, we would discuss about future of Chandrayaan program. It is a follow-up mission of Chandrayaan-2 to demonstrate end-to-end capability in safe landing and roving on the lunar surface. It will be launched from Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota. The propulsion module will carry the lander and rover configuration till 100 km lunar orbit. The propulsion module has a spectropolarimetry of habitable planet Earth. In short, say payload to study the spectral and polarimetric measurements of Earth from the lunar orbit. It has total mass of 3900 kg, which includes 2148 kg of propulsion module and 1752 kg of lander module, including a rover of 26 kg. Chandrayaan-3 consists of indigenous lander module (LM), propulsion module (PM), and a rover with an objective of developing and demonstrating new technologies required for interplanetary missions. In more detail, lander will carry Chandra's surface thermophysical experiment, in short CHAST, to measure the thermal conductivity and temperature, instrument for lunar seismic activity for measuring the seismicity around the landing site, Langmuir probe (LP) to estimate plasma density and its variations, while rover, which is a rectangular chassis mounted on a 6-wheel rocker bogie wheel drive assembly. It has navigation camera and solar panel that can generate 50 watt of power. It communicates directly with the lander via RX-TX antennas and will carry alpha particle X-ray spectrometers and laser-induced breakdown spectroscope for deriving the elemental composition in the vicinity of landing site. Along with this, lander will carry the following science payloads: radio anatomy of moon-bound hypersensitive ionosphere and atmosphere, in short RAMBA, laser retroreflector array (LRA) rover, alpha particle X-ray spectrometer, laser-induced breakdown spectroscope, propulsion module, to demonstrate safe and soft landing on the lunar surface, to demonstrate rover roving on the moon, and to conduct in situ scientific experiments. Chandrayaan-3 will not carry an orbital like Chandrayaan-2 did, because Chandrayaan-2's orbital is still functional. Apart from the fact that Chandrayaan-3 will not carry an orbiter, the spacecraft is different from Chandrayaan-2 because it will carry a payload its preceding mission did not have, such as CHAST and SAFE. Lunar Polar Exploration Mission, or Chandrayaan-4, suggested to be launched in 2025. India is collaborating with Japan in this mission. It will be lander rover mission near lunar pole to perform on-site sampling and analysis of collected lunar material and demonstrate lunar night survival technologies. The mission has been suggested for the time frame of 2025 to 2030. It will include a lander-based rotary percussive drilling in the lunar soil up to depth of 1.5 meters and analysis of cut using instruments. A volcanically and tectonically active area on the near side of moon will be selected for experiment. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share my channel, and thanks for watching.